Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. A little bit of a channel update. So today's video is the 600th episode. I just kind of can't believe it. I haven't told you guys how much I appreciate it. Probably a while. So I never want to forget that. And I never want you to forget that you guys have made this channel. This is something that I love to do. I enjoy programming in Python. I enjoy sharing. I enjoy making the videos, pressing myself on topics that you guys are interested in seeing and wanting to see. So I just wanted to say thank you for a second. And I can't believe 600 episodes have gone by. It does not seem like it's been that long, but I think March will be 3 years if memory serves already, and I cannot believe that. So video a day goes by fast. I don't even think about not doing it. It's part of my routine, and I guess you guys have pushed me, and I hope that I'm challenging you to stay focused, and this is something you want to do. You can do it. It's just time. It's not intelligence. It's not ability. It's nothing. It's something we all have. It's time. Now, time's precious, and you have to manage it. It's the only limited resource we have, but it just takes time. It's it. So I just wanted to say thank you for just a second. 600 videos, 600 episodes. Wow. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you know somebody who's interested in learning, send them our way. I want to see if I can help in any way. I want this to be a resource channel. I want you to have one place where you can come and find anything you want to know how to solve for a Python problem. So just thanks, as always, every single one of you. We're getting close to 1,000. That is blowing me away. By the end of the month, we should be at 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to that, and hopefully maybe we'll do something cool. I'll try to have a video around, and maybe I'll get my kids to help me with some of the graphics. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.